You're not going to want to hear this, but AutoCAD is dead. And here's why. First of all, I will tell you that I have worked for a large architectural engineering firm for over 10 years now. I'm a visual media specialist. I create renderings out of architects' designs. And whenever I'm handed a 2D CAD plan, I'm like, why are you still stuck in 2005? I know that this is all going to be user preference, right? But personally, I think that with the emergence of 3D modeling, programs like Revit, SketchUp, Blender, CAD is just kind of becoming irrelevant. 2D drafting is just not as useful to architects, designers, visual media specialists as it used to be. And the 3D modeling softwares that I just mentioned, a lot of them have 2D capabilities and 3D capabilities. So if you're going to create a 2D plan, why wouldn't you want to create it in a program that can also create a 3D model? AutoCAD is also known for its steep learning curve. Within it can do so many things, but unless you know all of them, it's just not helpful. Now, of course, this applies to other 3D modeling software like Revit and SketchUp as well, right? But the capabilities there are so much more promising and so much more useful than doing something just in 2D. So while you can integrate CAD plans into programs like SketchUp and Revit, the way that it reads them is not seamless. So it's honestly like you're just kind of doing double the work. Lastly, it is pretty expensive for what you get. I know that it used to be an industry standard, but it's just not anymore. But the price just doesn't reflect what you get, especially compared to other newer softwares, right? Obviously, this all comes down to user preference, and I'm sure I'm going to get some comments that are like from diehard CAD people that will be using it until the day they die, and that's great. I just don't know how relevant it's going to be in the next 5 to 10 years, especially with AI and those kind of tools coming out, where we were able to produce so much more detailed lifelike design. If you want to learn more about the software that I do recommend, make sure you give me a follow.